Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix VDC off on Nissan Altima, updated. Start by checking the VDC fuse, inspect wheel speed sensors, and scan for fault codes with an OBD2 reader. Clean sensor connectors and correct any loose wiring, reset codes after repairs. If the issue persists, test the ABS module and steering angle sensor. I'll guide you step by step with simple tools and clear language. To fix VDC off, gather basic tools: multimeter, OBD2 scanner, socket set, and contact cleaner. Begin by lifting the car safely, removing the wheel for clear access, and inspecting ABS speed sensors for damage or debris. Test sensor resistance with a multimeter and clean connectors with contact cleaner. Replace any faulty sensor found. Reinstall parts carefully, torque to spec, and clear codes with the scanner before a test drives smoothly. Quick recommendation: if you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more car repair tips. On another note, the product seen here is the new Kindle Paperwhite, great for reading manuals and service guides anywhere with crisp display and long battery life. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider grabbing one if you want portable reference material. Thanks. Now let's get back to the video. After sensors, focus on the ABS module and steering angle sensor if problems continue, as these often trigger VDC warnings. Inspect wiring harnesses for corrosion or breaks, and verify module grounds and connectors are secure. If you replace the steering angle sensor, perform the required calibration procedure using an OBD2 tool or dealer-level scanner to synchronize the system. Finally, test drive in a safe area to confirm the VDC warning remains cleared and stability returns.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.